Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Science Word of the Week lesson. As most of you already know, my name is Miss Jessica Strong Reese, and I love science and I love words. This time, our word of the week is adaptation. Adaptation is a noun. Adaptation means the changes an organism makes to adjust to its environment. Were you paying attention? Are you going to remember what an adaptation is? If you think you're going to forget, click pause and go grab your notebook. Did you get your notebook? It's always an important idea to take notes. If you forget, you can always scroll backwards and replay any part to make sure that you're recording your notes. You can write down your notes in a regular notebook. You can open up a Google Doc, or you can open up Google Keep. Those are excellent strategies to help keep knowledge in your brain and to help your brain grow. Hopefully, you wrote down this important definition in your notes. Remember, adaptation means the changes an organism makes to adjust to its environment. Now that we know what adaptations are, let's try and look at some examples of different plant and animal adaptations. We will also practice using the word adaptation in a complete sentence. Here's our first example. One adaptation birds, fish, and butterflies have in common is called migration. All three of these living creatures migrate or move to different areas depending on the season so that they have the resources they need, like food, to survive. What if they didn't migrate? What if birds and butterflies and fish all stayed where they were? What do you think? Click pause and think about what might happen. Did you think? What did you come up with? I don't think it would turn out so well if we just let butterflies, fish, and birds stay in the same place all the time. Here's why. Adaptations allow plants and animals to survive. For example, in the winter, food and shelter may be difficult to find. By migrating to warmer areas, fish, butterflies, and birds are able to still get the resources they need to live and thrive. Let's look at another example. Do you know what that is? Those were giant water lilies. The giant water lily pad is coated in wax. This adaptation repels or pushes away water and helps the plant float. I have been fascinated by giant water lilies ever since I first learned about the Amazon rainforest. This plant is awesome. Here's one more example. Camouflage is a type of physical adaptation. Camouflage is an adaptation that helps an organism blend in with its environment. What examples of adaptations can you think of? Click pause, jot them down. Did you click pause? Did you brainstorm some adaptations from animals and plants you might have seen before? I hope you did. Let's look at a couple more. Chameleons can camouflage themselves. So can stick insects. I've seen one time when I was walking at Girl Scout camp, and I didn't even realize it was there. Both the Arctic fox and the peacock flounder are animals that also have camouflage as an adaptation to help them survive. It helps them blend into their environment. See how he blends into this snow? See how he blends into this sand? Imagine seeing that from a distance. You wouldn't even realize they're there. Well, guys, thanks for rocking with me today. Go find a family member and tell them about a plant or animal adaptation that we learned about today. As always, thank you for working hard and thank you for learning together. See you next time. Bye-bye.